Hello everyone! In this episode we are going to talk about a special form of stair. Sometimes in a software you are expected to model some sort of special staircases. Regarding stairs and fences are different aspects in the software. If you combine these two softwares, you can have access to a variety of different structures. Now here we're going to point out to a very simple issue, but based on the project that you're working on, you can have more professional performance. And we have a comprehensive educational course of this software on our website, Introductory REVIT Architecture Project Based. I explained the whole project in that package. And by purchasing this package, you can have access to the educational course of this project from A to Z, especially for those who wanted to get familiar with this software in introductory or intermediate level. Every item is worked on step by step so that you can use this project-based course easily. Now let's get back to our practice. Now I close this file. Okay, imagine that there is a stair here and you wanted to add up this detail. And in doing so, first I select the stair tool and then I select assembly stage, and I don't want the fence on it. And here 300 level 1, and now I draw the stair. And here in 3D view, I select the stair and then I click on edit type, and here I select none and I put this on none and apply. And here from the riser I uncheck it. Okay, and in this way we create the stair. Okay, now here we have created this part, and we gotta work on the details under it. To do so, I'm going to share with you a very simple method. Based on the shape of the stair, I here consider 15 and 13 for nosing, and that's right. We make a section box here. Just keep one of the stairs. Okay, here in this way, and here fine. Here I go to file, export, and CAD format. I receive a CAD output and a units meter, and here I just save it on desktop in a folder, and here I uncheck this. So now I'm done here. Now here I go to the family part. I select the baluster post here. I go to the plan, and here from the insert I enter the CAD file with meter unit, and here I move this to the point that we need it, and now I fix it on the place with a rotate tool. I rotate it 90 degrees, and again select and with move here to here, and because 3 centimeters nosing, push forward as 30, and I shift it to the left view, and now here mirror, and then we use copy and we make symmetric, and I make a move to here. In fact, this part is the thickness of the cap. And now so far, let's see if it works correctly when we enter it into a project. Now here I load it with these conditions into a project. I go to the plan, and here I select grading tool, and here pick new host, and I draw it in the middle of this. To create the fence, we go to the edit part. From this part, here on none, and again here on none, none, and above this part, 1. Here we select the family, and then we uncheck this and we press OK. And now here I make a section from it, and now here I change the direction, and because it is a CAD file, it doesn't show in the cutting. Okay, I return back here, And now here, let's look at it. We have created now. Now here, I'm going to organize this situation. I get back to the left view, and the thickness was 30. We move for 3. And here we move for 150 or 50. I load it again. Return back here. We select it here, and now 30. And again, load. Okay. And now they're exactly on the same size. Now here, based on the thing that we have here, we start drawing the object. So now I select extrusion tool and I put it on left, right. And now here I draw an extrusion. And now here 40 and here 60 and then 80. Now here I select this and I move it for 30 and then copy, and I use copy, and I have the reflection on here, and I drag here a bit up, and here 60, and again a rectangle from here to here, and here somehow should come down. Here pick line 410 and the line 0, and I close here and I close here. I use trim, that's okay. Finish. I go to the front view and I attach it to the both sides. And for these two profiles that we have, I click on the component, yes, and the structural framing and steel, and we look for the object and we open it. Then I select one as a sample. I drag it from here to this point, and I go to the left view and then find, and then I select it, and then I change the dimensions here, and here 50, 30 and 1.5. I change them. Okay. Now here I move this, I activate this join and deactivate constraint. Okay, in this way, and I mirror this here, and again mirror this one, and I activate a copy. Okay, and I have to move this here. Now I make a duplicate for T. Here I delete the CAD file, and we can dedicate the materials to these parameters, and you can use it in your project. I'll load this, override, and like this. Now here, if we go to the section, we have these details here. We can return back to the family, and here edit, and we can move this part and finish, and we load it again, and you can here close the both sides, and now your staircase is complete. So you can use these methods. You can add the details that you need to your staircases, and likewise. Thanks for watching.